I'm John from Wight Trash, and welcome to my shop. We've been here for 11 years now. We've been doing Wight Trash for 21 years, and then 10 years after we started, we did the shop. We do community projects, have skate parks being built over here on the Isle of Wight. And yeah, we've got some funky graphics. We've been lucky enough to have some of the best pros from around the world as guest riders, and we've got some of the best pros as riders. I still love to skate, and I fall off a lot, as you'll see from the YouTube channel. Yeah, check out Wight Trash YouTube, Wight Trash Insta, and Wight Trash Facebook. Not on TikTok yet, maybe soon. But yeah, this is my shop. Thanks for popping by.